It sounds like a freaking beast. I love that sound. Let's do it in first gear. I mean, it is a bit too much, right? So let's turn off M mode again. Well, oh, that was M mode engaged again. Okay, that's because I manually turned off ESC, so it disengaged M mode. But let's turn off N mode and M sound control off. Have a listen to this. No pops and bangs, just the rasp, and it's a bit more silent. I hope you can hear that on camera though, because it's like two variants of loud, but one is way louder than the other. And man, I just love both of them.